What if everything you've been told about success is a lie? At 18, they push you toward college, promising a golden ticket to wealth. But here's the truth. 41% of graduates end up in jobs that don't even require a degree. You're sold a dream that's crumbling, buried under student debt, eating instant noodles, wondering if you'll ever break free. The truth? The system lied to you. A study found 23% of university degrees have a negative return on investment, and 41% of graduates working jobs that don't even require a degree. The worst part? While you were memorizing outdated formulas, the real game was happening outside the classroom. Right now, teenagers are becoming millionaires, without a degree, without rich parents, and without traditional jobs. How? Because they stopped waiting for permission and built income streams no one told them about. Let me be real with you. If you're 18 to 28 right now, you're entering the most economically chaotic, opportunity-saturated, and mentally exhausting decade in human history. You're expected to study full-time, work part-time, stay mentally stable, avoid burnout, and somehow build wealth. Meanwhile, your phone keeps reminding you that a 16-year-old is making $500,000 a month posting videos without even showing his face. Compare that to your hourly wage flipping burgers. It stings, doesn't it? But here's the thing. You are not broken. The system is. The good news? You don't need to escape the system. You need to outplay it. Because while most people are chasing safe jobs, the smartest are stacking modern income streams. AI-powered content creation, faceless short-form channels, online writing and digital products, Discord management, dubbing and localization, reselling, not junk, but luxury goods, monetizing boring businesses with tech upgrades. These aren't fantasies. These are documented, real-world case studies, like Daniel, 16, who turned his social media obsession into $500K per month, using just his phone and psychology. Or Chris, who learned Discord as a teen and now makes more than most engineers managing communities. Or Mercy, who built an 8-figure animation portfolio using AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney and got reposted by Andrew Tate. Let's break it down. Here are 7 side hustles you can start today to rewrite your future. Each one's rated for time to learn, startup costs, and how hard it is to hit $1,000 a month. 1. Faceless short-form content. Social media platforms like TikTok, Snapchat, and YouTube are in a war for your attention, and they're paying creators to win it. Daniel Bitten posts short, faceless videos with clever hooks and viral edits, earning $500,000 monthly. You don't need fancy gear, just a phone and an internet connection. Study viral clips daily, ask why they hook you, and replicate the psychology. Time to learn. 4 out of 5. Mastering hooks takes practice. Startup costs. 1 out of 5. Just a phone. Difficulty to earn $1,000 per month. 1 out of 5. Platforms are throwing cash at creators. 2. TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is the modern QVC, with $17.5 billion in sales projected for 2025. You don't need inventory, just pick trending products like beauty or fashion, set up a store via the TikTok Seller Center, and use micro-influencers to drive sales. Spend an hour a day curating products, and you could earn $100 to thousands monthly. Time to learn. 2 out of 5. Quick to set up. Startup costs. 1 out of 5. Free to start, maybe $20 for a ring light. Difficulty to earn $1,000 per month. 2 out of 5. Depends on product choice. 3. AI content creation. Businesses crave content but lack time. Tools like Jasper AI and ChatGPT let you churn out blog posts, social media captions, or product descriptions fast. Small businesses, juggling a million tasks, will pay you to handle this. Start by offering a free sample to land your first client. then build a portfolio. Time to learn. 2 out of 5. AI tools are user-friendly. Startup costs. 1 out of 5. Free tools available. Difficulty to earn $1,000 per month. 3 out of 5. 4. Online coaching. Jack Jefferson quit his $70,000 job to coach fitness online, earning $7,000 a month with 40 clients. You don't need to be a gym expert. Coach anything you're skilled at, from coding to cooking. Offer personalized plans and video check-ins. People pay for convenience and results, not just info. Time to learn. 2 out of 5. Leverage existing skills. Startup costs. 1 out of 5. Just a laptop. Difficulty to earn $1,000 per month. 1 out of 5. High demand for personalized coaching. 5. Reselling luxury items. Ben Gallagher's Luxe Collective made $7.2 million reselling designer bags. Learn to spot authentic Louis Vuitton or Chanel, start with affordable items, and sell globally via social media. TikTok's your free marketing tool. Ben's 1.6 million followers prove it. Time to learn. 4 out of 5. Spotting fakes takes study. Startup costs. 3.5 out of 5. Designer items aren't cheap. Difficulty to earn $1,000 per month. 1 out of 5. High margins, one sale can do it. 6. Modernizing boring businesses. Laundromats and car washes are cash cows run by outdated owners. Use software like Odoo to automate billing or add online booking, then negotiate a 20% profit split. One laundromat client could net you $10,000 a year. Time to learn. 3/5. Learn basic software. Startup costs. 1/5. Free software options. Difficulty to earn $1,000 per month. 2/5. Need to pitch clients. 7. Language dubbing. Businesses need videos dubbed into languages like Spanish or Hindi. As a voice actor, earn $48 per hour. Or manage projects connecting actors to clients for a cut. Start on Fiverr offering samples in high-demand languages. Time to learn. 3 out of 5. Practice voice or project management. Startup costs. 1 out of 5. Just a mic and laptop. Difficulty to earn $1,000 month. 2 out of 5. Growing demand for global content. Look, this isn't about becoming a millionaire overnight. It's about refusing to be financially helpless in a world that's evolving without waiting for you. Most people will spend their 20s confused, their 30s catching up, and their 40s regretting they didn't start sooner. But you? You've already seen behind the curtain. You now know the game. So, start playing it like you've got nothing to lose, because the real risk is doing nothing at all. Subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Comment your favorite hustle below, and ask yourself, what's stopping you? Let's build your empire together. See you in the next video.